Hello guys, welcome to India Tech. This is your friend. A friend of mine gave me a headphone and asking me if you can fix it. Yeah. Are you insane? Of course I can fix it. We just need to disassemble it, and first of all we need to rifle through its components and find what's its issue. He was asking me its charging related issue. The charging jack was in pretty bad shape. We need to fix it and just rifle through the ICs and components, and let's see what happens. So I already disassembled this for your time savings. Here is the main operating board, which is responsible for everything: charging batteries, blasting music, picking up calls, and etc. etc. So guys, as we all know, our life is full of totally rush and we don't have enough time to charge our headphone until it takes usually. Hello guys, as we all know, our life is full of rush and we don't have enough time to charge our headphone to 3 to 4 hours. Usually it takes 3 to 4 hours. So we build our speed charging circuit. It's extra modification, and you can see here its battery level is 20%. And now I'm putting it on charge, and you can see the time and date 10:20 a.m. and you can see within matter of 10 seconds it boosts up to 90%. It's 10:20 a.m. and within 10 seconds it boosts to 90%, and cable is still connected. It boosts from 20 to 90 within 10 seconds. Now I unplug. It's still working, and you can see battery level is still 80%, and it's stable on 80% now. It's fast charging headphone. I built this one. It takes only 30 seconds to full charge. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more techs.